Hello, Lady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl, Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So, if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So, guys, yesterday I was just scrolling through my Insta stories on Instagram. Then I came across an Insta story at DJ Zinhle where she was actually accepting questions from her fans because she was actually driving a 3-hour drive, so she was bored. So she was actually answering questions of her fans. So in those questions, she mentioned, in those responses she was giving out, she mentioned that she is not okay emotionally, akuhambi nje kahle, and ukhombisile ukuthi no, angikho right guys, angikho happy. Because one of the questions were asked her, are you happy? I said, no, I am not happy. But again, most people, they were asking ukuthi lo ngabe happy kwakhe, is it about AKA or kwenzakalani ngaye? And they're after bed driver, so I think bed driver from there, from Joburg to KZN, because eventually bese kubo futhi. And still besho ukuthi no, angikho right. Bambuza abantu ukuthi where is Cario to cheer you up, where is Glammy to cheer you up. Washo ukuthi no, Cario no Glammy abekho bakwi vacation, they actually always on vacation. So guys, kubuhlungu because manje when you look at it, DJ Zinhle ube ne birthday on the 30th, and on the same day her boyfriend, aka he posted her, then was nje happy birthday kuphela. There was no romantic message going with that, and the after hours the picture was deleted from AKA's Instagram. Ngapho DJ Zinhle no, angikho happy. So what is really happening, guys? From my personal view, I think they have issues, or they are actually going through some couple fights or couple conflicts. So you guys leave a comment below. What do you think? Here are the screenshots of those questionnaires, question and answers that she was doing. Thank you guys for watching the video. I am out till next time.